if you take a loss, it's not actually a big deal. I think what the big deal is when you
Hmm.
take when you lose control. That's a big deal. Like if it for myself, I've written out like an entire plan so that I know exactly what I
Hmm.
can and cannot do in terms of limits, like even down to emotions, right? Like I know after a loss, the exact emotions that I'm only allowed to feel and the ones that I'm not. So I know that even if I do like, if there's no gray area to like what is correct and what isn't for being in
Hmm.
control, and I think that that is the most important thing, bro.
Um, like that, it's a whole different leveling up if we get there.
Yeah, and like I saw.
Uh,
Uh,
are you in the trade? Because I think it's gonna just pop at the open
no,
because
I'm not.
it took all both sides yesterday,
Ye-
both high from that news high, and then also all the shots at that Nvidia earnings. And it's looking only one way.
yeah, it does seem extremely likely that it will just take Viside. For me, I would look for like either a 50. I know it's very unlikely, but it's just to rule it out. To take the long, I'd need a 15-minute sweep or a retracement back into some dealing range with a 3-minute SMT. Kind of like what we were looking for yesterday, but I don't think we can't make a low of the day doing that because it's not. Well, like, and in fact, I don't even know if I want to take longs because if you go on the daily chart, bro, it's already opened, did the manipulation lower, and the candle's like a fair bit already past its expansion. So in terms of a scalp, you might be able to get a nice trade back up into that buy side. But until you see what, like 930 would have to give a minor retracement. I'll show you. Yeah, I got some. I got a lot of accounts I got to trade today, bro. I've got 6 of them funding ticks
I should
accounts.
disappear
And
for a second, man.
huh? What happened?
Lost you there. If
Okay. S- I got 6 funding ticks accounts, and then I got like I bought 10 Apex accounts last night, the evals. I'm just gonna do 5 at a time. Because I'm pretty sure they'll run another sale for like next month.
but like from top and over again.
Oh bro, you're lagging. It might be the screen share, bro.
Patrick Williams' birthday. He's gonna get the best deal of the life
Oh,
from traders for his
true.
birthday, but he didn't mention which firm. Yeah,
True. I should have. Okay. Um, if one of yous keep an eye on that, that would actually be amazing. Like,
hmm
yo, William, bro.
Yeah, Samuel. Like, hopefully we get better from here because every trader has to go through this. Like, even when they're having like good days, bad days. And it's good days, it's only like everything feels right, everything feels perfect. But when this happens, it's like, what am I doing wrong? Like you're doubting everything that you did that already worked. Oh man, yeah,
That is a really hard, serious truth, man. I be thinking a lot about that. Even now, like when
yeah.
when I was max risking through my funded futures accounts, bro, I was thinking like, is that next? If I just got lucky, is my next trade gonna be the loss? Am I gonna go on a losing streak? Like, oh my god, Like,
Bro, you gotta block this motherfucker, bro. He's
bro,
like this
look,
distraction.
100.
You gotta go, William.
Yeah, yo, William, you're actually bugging out, bro. You're doing too much, man. Just chill out. Um, Let me show you this, yeah. If we look over like 100 trades, how much do you want to like? We're gonna risk our account in 20 losses, so we can have 20 losses, and we're gonna just look at a 50% win rate for a 1 to 2. And how much capital do you want to start with? We're just gonna say like 5,000, because you can get 5,000 from prop firms, right? That would be two 50K
Hmm.
accounts, or anything, right? And now show trades. This is compounded growth too. So assuming you never take a payout, like whatever, that's 60,
Hmm.
100 trades. Here we go. Look, bro, after 50% win rate after 100 trades, you make 55K profit. Like within the next 12 months now, continuing trajectory
Yeah,
at the very lowest performance. There's no way, bro. There's no way this chart goes down. This chart only ever goes up.
yeah.
But we're like zooming in on these little patches in here and thinking that everything's gone
Hmm.
downhill and thinking that everything's terrible, and we're not thinking about like the entire climb.
Yeah, yeah. Those are the days that like eats up the brain and then like doubting everything.
That's what makes a
I think
great
it's
trader,
it,
bro.
yeah.
Oh, it's so serious, but it's so serious. Like trying to be the best is actually like it's such a noble journey because oh, you gotta fight so much, bro. There's so much internal like
Hmm.
whatever this is that when you're going through that. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yep.
Wait, at the buzzer. Let's go. Oh, did you long that? I know you did. You're a no. Do you know what, bro? This contributes a little bit to that. If I'm gonna keep it real, yeah, taking trades that aren't the
Hmm.
model at all, like as in even in the slightest bit, although the outcome's positive. Oh, bro,
Yeah.
I seen some guy say once, yeah, he was a professional trader. He was like, you can't dance with gambling ever. Once you like become on your profit, like once you're on your professional journey, you can never engage in
Hmm.
anything that's considered gambling because you're gonna take away that like progress. There's always gonna be a better
Mm.
hit of like taking that right there that you're feeling from taking a little long, bro. Oh my god. Oh snap,
Oh, I
bro.
did not take a long though.
Did you not? I thought you did. Oh.
No, no, no,
Oh,
no.
it's because All right.
No, no, no.
Nah, not scolded, bro. We
Yeah.
like
I drew the tool like before. Like I expected 8:30 news to pump up and then 9:30 to do nothing. So 8:30 news did not do much, but it left a fair value gap. I was expecting from there it's only gonna go up. But yeah, it is what it is.
it dropped right into that 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as ES takes that all-time high, I'm gonna like drop down to them lower time frames and just see what happens. You know, like how Mike Tyson's a real champ, right? Like, and think about his prime when he was competing. Everybody thought this dude was a monster. Now you can say like talent this, talent that, but essentially what made him a champion is like, oh bro, okay, I can't reach it. What made him a champion was the processes he went through, like his training. It weren't like the actual fights. The fights is the end result of like the preparation that went into it. So you know the training camps, the the gym sessions, like the eating healthy, the 5 mile runs in the morning, like all these things no one else wants to do. He did it, and it made him champion. It's the same for trading, bro. Like taking the trade is the end result. It's like fighting in the ring. If you're unprepared, if you haven't done your like due diligence, like if you haven't done your back testing hours, if you haven't done your it, everything, bro, everything that's involved in trading, if you haven't done it yet, it's just a waste, man. I swear it's a waste. You're gonna get nowhere. Like it goes round in circles. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. You just feel stuck endlessly. No payouts, no nothing. 'Just NQ. Even now, this would be a great trade for NQ, I think, because of like I don't know. Let's see. We touched a 4 hour OB in premium daily too. It's not
How many
much.
days were I up?
Wait, what? It
I
like
think I'm cutting out.
yeah, it
Right.
cut out a little bit, bro. 3 days. Yeah. Are you talking about like Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday? I think we had really clean trades for those days. Our like our interpretations for or like market bias right before the sessions were just so perfect, bro. So perfect. Well, there's no short. Okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, on them time frames, it kind of did go sideways. I see what you mean. Like it weren't amazing. It did take a while. Monday was probably expected to take that high, but in hindsight, you can see it like leave that engineered liquidity. That Asia low though. It's not a great smart money reversal, but I mean, if we'd have taken the high, that right there was actually the short on ES. Or like on NQ the trade, but like the high on ES if we'd have taken it. But I don't count a trend trade not like that. So. At long after the Asia low, if it's a loss, it's a loss, then we know the direction. Yeah, I shot at long. We didn't have another shot though, bro, because my model's entirely based on the smart money reversal occurring. Like we don't have an edge until we have like some kind of proven new market maker model formation. And maybe on the 3 minute it's in here. Like, but that's pre-market for me. And then this here is like there is nothing to go on for that because it's not like we've got like the edge comes from inside this. If this is where it occurred, it would be like getting an entry in deep discount. That's what makes that such a good entry. But once it's like gone up, yeah, you could like that's that FOMO, bro. You know what I mean? Like I think we could. Ah, do you feel a bit bad after yesterday's trade? Because, bro, oh my God. For me, I know on Monday, no, Friday, I felt so bad for that entire weekend. Same for Tuesday. Tuesday, Monday. Um, Man, this is how like trading is a real headspace game. It can mess with you so easy. Like I only see this as like because I think I've experienced something similar, bro. I could even just be wrong, but like when you take a loss or like let's say you miss out on some good trades and you think that like you start anticipating that every move is tradable to some extent, and it instead like it's a hard thing to accept, but like you don't have to be a part of this long, even if you know for like a high probability that this is gonna go take that high. You don't have to be a part of that like process over profits because if it would have went wrong, we could have easily said, "Oh, look, we didn't follow our model. Why don't we just do that?" I, it's a circle, man. I think I'm yet to find someone out there that actually speaks some solid trading wisdom. I want to find someone that everyone runs around saying Mark Douglas this, Mark. He does help, right? But his entire thing is about like looking at it in terms of a game of probabilities. That's really helpful. That's honestly great. But that's it. There's no depth to the wisdom of like, oh, there's like the little things we all be battling in our heads, like how to actually deal with FOMO, how to actually deal with all these other things. I'm sick of hearing like just think long term. Like that don't work, bro. We all know that don't work. It does work a little bit, but in the moment, there's got to be an actionable step to do. Turn off the computer, maybe. Tudor Jones. Let's check this guy. Or was it what was it? Judah Jones. Or Tudor Jones. Top market wizard. He's an American billionaire hedge fund manager. I'll check him out, bro.
Are you even taking trades?
Who? Me?
Are you? No, on.
On. Are you actually? He said, "Are you taking trades?" How often do you get setups? Because I know you're trading basically like a very similar model, so it might be kind of the same. But because of work, I guess you might get a few less once a week. Oh wow. You know why? Like I actually really don't think that. Yo, this is controversial, yeah. Unless you're trading serious money, I actually think taking like very infrequent trades is a bad thing because you're not able to get enough, not experience, but kind of like experience. You're not able to get experience quick enough. Like if you're taking, let's say, 50 trades in a year, all right, you probably take more than that. But let's just say on this graph, you can see how like it can easily go wrong, like or basically break even for the entire year, especially if you're cocking yourself up with like FOMO. Maybe one trade you double risk, and now you're down even more. Like it's hard to get. It's hard, but then you don't want to be taking 20 a day. Like there's got to be a middle ground. Sessions key level. Bro, if we add more trades to this, look how it smooths out. 250 trades smooths out to basically a guarantee. What was like a rocky patch at the start for 50 trades. 50 trades was like here, but 580. Okay. Oh yeah. Samo, this is the website that I was talking about when I was saying that it was down, by the way. Like it's really good for showing out wins and losses, you know? Um, oh, it's a yo, it's a good sell there. I mean, was you not worried about it take? Because bro, this is all-time highs, right? Like here, hmm. Yeah, it shows you some real key data. Like, um, where is it? This is quite an interesting one. Probability of ruin basically shows what's the likelihood out of how many times running this experiment did it once like basically blow 0.03% chance. And it shows all the dollar amounts so you can see exactly like visualize how much you'd be risking per trade, which is like, you know, these numbers, account balance totals. You can include commissions too. Yeah, it's an awkward one now, right? But I'm thinking if we end up sweeping some of these lows, there might actually be a long, you know. Very, I don't know. We need to see what happens if we get down there, when or whatever. But I don't think that we're settled here. That that don't. I swear that don't just make all-time highs like that, like equal highs. It's not as dynamic. What does that mean, bro? I don't know what that means. Yeah, I got quite a lot, but I'm trying to get like slowly more past with Apex, like five at a time, not doing max. And then I just got six funding ticks accounts. Bro, they're dirt cheap now. And oh my god, I wish someone explained this to me, yeah. I was asking their mods for like some questions after I bought them. So I kind of made a mistake. Right, there's two different types of accounts for the 50Ks. I'll quickly explain them. One's got a 5,000 payout cap. The other's got a 1,000 payout cap. For the so this 5,000 one costs $62. This one costs $38. Oh, so it's about half price. Okay. Now here, there's you actually so per payout cap means every 5 trading days you can request a payout cap. So once a week, right? You can only request 5,000 max per account. That's a lot. Nobody's really gonna get that. There's a very rare selection of people that are meeting that. Now, but that this is the thing, yeah. No, No, who dropped to 90%? I just bought Apex last night, bro. No. Did they actually, bro? No way. I don't believe you, bro. Okay, I'll quickly explain, yeah. So you can only actually request 60% of this amount. Oh, we did sweep them lows. Gotta watch that lower time frame. But so you can only actually request 3,000. So your actual cap is 3,000. They just have this to advertise, right? It's a bit like my funded futures. They're snakes. However, with this one, there is no 60%. So the payout cap's still 1,000. Now, like when you start doing your maths on like how much you're going to be risking on these accounts and then like how much you'll be able to make as profit in total, this account after the split, you can make like 900 per payout cap, and then you lose like 10% of this, so you only get at 2,700. So these are the actual numbers. It's 3 times as much, but bro, like no one's and this is assuming that you've made 5k on your account. If you've made, let me give you a better example to explain how important. One sec, one sec. We gotta watch these charts. I think I want to still see a NQ trade lower. This looks like a dirty, like market structure shift. I don't think this would look good to go back up just yet. Maybe at least these lows. But assuming you made on this account, let's say 2,500, you get the 60% split, which is like it's 1,500. So you can only actually request 1,500 of whatever you make, by the way, which I think is mad gay, bro. Mad gay. So if you make 2,500, which is a lot within a week, you can only actually request 1,500. Take away the profit split, which is 10%, you're actually left with like 1,350, which is basically the same amount for half the price.
Yo,
Yo, what's up, bro?
you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
For sure. Wait, so it's a no-brainer to go with the $38 account.
I think so, yeah. Unless you're going to be trading some like extreme or heavy risk to make
Is it intraday or?
end of day. And there's no consistency.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at this guy. He's in his influencer mode. Drop the code,
Oh
Ben.
yeah, I
I'll
actually
use
do.
it.
They do. They give you a code, bro. They give you a code. I've got one,
God
bro.
damn it, Ben.
Hold
Fine,
on.
bro. I'll use your code.
Yo, I legendary, bro. I'll give you half, whatever it gives me. Yeah, I'll send you half, bro.
Nah, you're chilling. Keep it, you fucking peasant.
Oh, look at, bro. Why? I don't know why they. I don't know why they give everyone a code.
Wait, they give everyone a fucking code?
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like code shouldn't. I think code should be given out like that. Like literally everyone just get one. Cause like, isn't it just better for them? Like at the end of the day,
True.
like I don't know why like being a partner or like what like having a code is like a big thing where you have to apply and all that shit. Is like, who cares, dude? Like either way, the traffic is coming to them.
Bro's got me. I only checked this because like they actually, you'll see what I mean. They give everyone. I don't know why they give everyone a code. Yeah, it's. I think it's actually good because it's only because like a lot of these firms don't want to give everyone a code because they don't want l- small groups capitalizing on cheaper stuff, right? Like I could
I
I could
see.
use my mum's code, let's just say, right? And she would be able to, like, the commissions would go to her, but it's actually still in my family, so it's like still my money. So it's like an even
Yeah,
bigger
yeah, yeah,
discount. Like that's what they don't
yeah,
want.
yeah, 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 yeah. I see what you're talking about. Mm-mm.
What did T-Wop say? Affiliated market.
Wait, can you just rinse and repeat and do it yourself then, Ben? If everyone gets a code, can you just get it the first time and then your next batch you use your own code?
No, you can't use your own code. So like,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, then we'll just use each other's code then. Shit.
How much do you, I don't know even know how much they give you in terms of a split of like
uh,
the amounts people spend. I assume it's like 10% though. So if you spend 300, we would get 30. Well, I'll go half.
mhm.
I'll give you 15. I get 15.
Word, word. Sunday. No, yeah, cause like based on my back testing, Ben, whenever we take both sides of London now, we tend to chop. But that could be me, like, that could just be my data. Like, you could probably like see something else.
Hmm.
What are your thoughts? Once both to London side are taken out, or it doesn't matter as long as there's a strong rejection pool off a liquidity pool, you're good.
Yeah, I think it could be because like I think mainly like if we're in a seek and destroy day, yeah, and it takes that
Yep.
London high and like let's say a
Yep.
previous high, kind of like what's happened here, and
Hmm.
then we take the low, if we should at least expect premium of that range. And like that, if we're like higher time frame bullish too, so like our entire target is like way higher on a higher time frame, this should play out because I don't know actually, I don't know. But in this case scenario, we because we haven't taken London, you're still looking for longs or shorts. What are you looking for?
No, I'm done trading for the day. ES left without me. I liked how it like took that. I like how ES took London and it rejected right away. That's like one of the
Yeah.
key factor in my model too. Is like price can't fuck around with that like in that key level.
Hmm. Yeah, there was fast displacement there.
Hmm.
We would have
And
had our
then
setup. Oh,
like if what happened on ES happened on Q, I'm taking it 10 out of 10, 10 times. Cause like
hmm.
yeah, IFPG is like my main thing. What's your trade frequency, man?
I take like
Like two, right? Two, three
th
a
no, no,
week?
a bit more than two. Definitely like three, maybe four, but like mainly around three. It's probably like 3 point something.
Really? Like consistently every week? You get that many trades?
Yeah, there's 100% that many trades. There's actually more,
Dang.
but I sometimes try and be a bit like, especially in the PM. PM can give like 50-50 setups that I might just like skip over. Like yesterday, there was two setups, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Was it yesterday? No, maybe it was Tuesday. Tuesday has two setups. Monday had one setup, so there's been three. Wednesday had another setup, that's four. Yeah.
For sure, for sure.
Oh, this is the only thing I don't like about like these affiliate things is low key. I'm just giving out money because it if someone uses the code and let's say we get $30. I don't get $30. $30 like sits in some credit balance until it's reached like a certain amount. like maybe a
Mm-hmm.
hundred, or this he's showing like affiliates. Oh, so Apex has put it up to 1,000. So you need to earn 1,000 in Apex affiliates before I could even withdraw it. You know?
Mm.
Damn.
Wait, Ben,
Yeah.
for funding ticks, how much do you get off of like a $35 account? Like how much do you get for your cut?
I'm not sure. That's what I don't know that. Cause I only just this was impulsive, bro. Like I just know on the
Oh,
dashboard they give you a referral code to give out, but I haven't looked into it at all, so I
oh,
don't know.
word,
And
word,
probably
word.
10% though, so like $3.
For sure, for sure.
Oh yeah, so bro, it's literally pennies, man. It's literally pennies, you know. You can only
Damn,
get you can
bro,
only get
you're
six accounts. Like we're gonna make $18, bro. Like, big things, bro.
bomb. Nah, but fucking Patrick Wheeling though, my God, dude.
They're doing thousands of orders a day though. That's how they're getting that. If you think everyone's giving at least like 3 to 5 to maybe $8, and they're doing thousands, it's easily like, oh, bro, he's doing way more than that actually.
Dude, I actually don't know like what's his demographic for like of people are like who's watching him? Like it feels like it's like old millennials. I feel like.
It could be like I think it's a dopamine hitting type group. Like he's in a way he's not like super professional, which is nice because it's sometimes like you just want to chill out, right? You don't want to be listening to some guy.
No, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's very like entertainment based. I feel like.
Yeah, it can give a gambling vibe. Like I don't like how he trades altogether, but that's just personal. I think what he does is too much of gambling. It's too close. And
I feel like too.
it my only
Or like
evidence.
he masked his quote unquote gambling with like his trading terminology. Like he would like bear flag or like some shit like that.
Yeah, that's so true, bro. Because in reality, he's taken like he's blown up 2,000 Apex PAs, bro. Just think about that.
Yeah.
How do you
Yeah.
how do you even blow up that? That's insane.
Yeah, for real.
That's
What the fuck?
it's like $200,000. I remember calculating it. And one of his accounts had like he had 20 accounts. He blew all 19. He had one left, and he took like a 300K payout, which is sick. But if you check the stats on the account, right, it's like his account made 2 million and lost 1.9 or something. So basically, he's break even, and he just happened to be trading with large numbers to the point where that was like 300K.
Yeah, I know what
If
you're
you
talking
if you
about.
get what I'm saying, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude, and he's like so shamelessly on stream too. Like people were like, "Yeah, it's easy to make money when you're recycling account," and he's like, "Yeah, because I have the money to do so, and you don't." I'm like, "Oh shit, this guy's not even hiding it anymore."
Hmm.
So fucking funny, dude.
Bro, some guy, Lanto, not some guy, Lanto, I'm gonna give respect to his name. He actually said some real thing. DD was like, "Yeah, he's getting so much hate now. I love him, man. I want to see more." But he's, he was saying like, "I've changed so many people's lives," and Lanto said, "How can you even say that when your own strategy hasn't even changed your own?"
Yeah, got him.
Bro, it was deep, man.
Got his ass.
Yep. Hmm. Don't you have to wake up mad early to trade? Isn't it like
Are you to
4
me, man?
a.m.? It's like 3, 4 a.m. for you right now.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah,
6 a.m. is when I wake up.
bro,
Cause I'm on Pacific. Yeah, 6. Or right now it's 7 a.m. But I wake up at 6. What time does your session start?
to 9:30 is 2:30 p.m. for me.
Bro, what the fuck?
Uh, oh, I don't know if this is a long key, you know. I just don't like the risk to reward out of this. I don't think I'm gonna place it because I got accounts that I need to trade, so I'm trying to pass. I'd rather just not do it. I don't want to risk it.
Mm.
Hasn't actually made a fair value gap yet too, so it might do. We just had a nice like liquidity sweep. We've had our SMT um, on the Asia low. We got equal highs on ES. Our higher time frame bias and drawn liquidities are still higher. I think we came back and touched midnight. We had the NWOGs for this move. Let's check the gaps. What gap did we have? Oh, we didn't really go anywhere. What would the trade look like? Hmm. This is like classic too, man. You know what's nice about this potential sell? Like it, it's manipulated buy side and it's manipulated sell side. It's done exactly what it's been doing the other few days. Every session so far this week has opened, took buy side, took sell side, then went higher.
They're playing game and shit.
Playing games.
Playing game and shit.
No, this
What's your daily routine, Ben? Like from morning to night?
hmm. So I wake up at about well, my alarm's set at 6:30. So 6:35 I might actually get out of bed, bro. Because I just be lying there thinking about some things for a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go gym. In fact, sometimes it's not often. I've only started doing this. I've done it twice now, and I've missed like 3 or 4 times. So I'm not gonna say it's part of the routine, but something I am trying is waking up first thing in the morning is writing a full page of like it's like written affirmations. It takes about like 10-15 minutes to do, but I, anyways, I'll go gym 7, come home at like 8:30. From 8:30 to about like 2, So that entire window, I'll do a mix of things. So like I've got a friend who runs a leaflet distribution business. So to keep myself active, sometimes I just go and deliver leaflets, and it's just a bit of walking. I get a bit of money. The money's dead. It's literally below minimum wage, but it's something to do. Um,
Yeah, you just do it for the love of the game or what?
kind of, because I I know it sounds mad dumb, bro, but like, well, I used to have a leaflet distribution business. And a part of
No,
me like I just enjoy that solo work. You're just out on your own, headphones in, you're just chilling.
yeah,
It
chilling.
gives good time to think about stuff. And then
Good, good.
trading session starts. I'm with you lot for like however many hours we trade in. PM. In the PM, I might play a game, or if I've not took a trade in the AM, I'll watch the PM. So it depends on what I do in the AM. Depends like for what I'll do in the PM. And that's my day, bro. That's
For
everything.
sure, for sure.
What's your day look like?
6, come in here, go work, gym, well, gym after work, and then just back test the fuck out of my brain at night, and then go to sleep depressed,
Are you up at
cause
night stressing and stuff?
uh, I'm a really like heavy overthinker, but like I mask it really well. Like people
Hmm.
would think I don't like, yeah, people just think that my mind is empty, cause like I fuck around a lot, but I'm a very heavy overthinker.
Hmm. Yeah, them nighttime sessions on your own, man, they can be like spiritual.
Yeah. Mm.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that phrase is actually the worst thing to ever say in trading. Done for the day. You know, there's like people be waiting for 9:30 open. At 9:32, they'll type "done for the day, made my 10 grand," and it's like these nobodies have either actually made 10 grand on a gamble, because I just feel like there is no strategy you can take at 9:30, or it's eval money, which is also just a gamble.
Yeah.
But but
I don't know how they do it.
I've never felt the need to type in a chat ever. I'm done for the day. I've made my money. I've never felt the need to type that. I'm gonna
Mm.
be real, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I think we do trade higher, but don't know. There was no true. Oh, the 5 minute did have displacement. So this is it. We're in a 5 minute BPR. It's like it definitely goes lower from here, or an inverse is just every bit of confirmation we need to go higher. Could we expect a bearish day now that we've taken out some short-term buy sides? Hmm. Yeah, I checked my Has Patrick Wyland gave any like mad codes out? Wait, T-Wop said 90% off. I'm checking. Oh, there is as well. No. Damn it, man. I just wasted 100 and something pound. Right, well, this is the perfect time. We got 5 days, so we got. When is this? Oh, I don't like how they do this. You know, I swear they plan this at the end of weeks too, because this means we've got the end of today, so we'll have tomorrow, 4, 3, 2. So starting, we'll only have Monday and Tuesday to buy accounts. Doesn't feel like a full week. I think this 15-minute candle should tell us a lot about what we need. You know, why is this? I suppose there's the possibility of engineering more buy side for like a new short-term sell model. I don't know how far this might go. That don't look right. Do any of you lot actually calculate your position size based on like ticks? Like, do you know how to do the maths and stuff? Because if I didn't have the trading view tool to calculate risk, I'd be so screwed, bro. I would have no idea to know how many contracts. It's like $2 for every contract per point, is it? And so it's 50 cents a tick. I'm not sure, it's something like that. So to do the maths, yeah, it'd be like, I see that's what I'm saying about this being a bad stop. It's 80 points, bro. Oh, $48, $53, $79. If you ain't catching entries like this, you ain't a real trader. The guys that be posting photos like that, they must know that they're hella fake. How did these guys even have friends? There's no way. Such bomby behavior. Because for all we know, maybe they do enter there. Their stops here, take profits wherever it is, right? Trade ends up going up like a fair amount in profit. They end up doing this to make it look better and better. As soon as I see someone have some stop like that, I know they're a fake trader. There's no way it's real. What for? Ah, don't worry, bro. It's kind of just accumulating. It's going sideways. 15 minutes about to close. 5 minutes since respected that PPR. It's suppose if you get a 5 minute inverse here now, that might be clean. Which is not the model I take. Maybe I need to change that link actually. Let's check on that 5 minute. I mean, after taking that buy side there, like that wick high, it's not even buy side, but just the manipulation. It looks like it could be playing out with a nice market maker model, sell model, that is. We don't really have anything. Yeah, these funding ticks accounts might actually be the cheapest out there. $38. And then, yeehaw. Oh snap! I didn't see. I'm, I actually do want to see this go up. I think that this is like the best case scenario for this market. It's like it feels like Max Payne for all the people that are trying to call. Oh, actually, this might be. Oh, I can't be saying that. I have a feeling that these gaps are like everything that holds up now. This is like the bullish or bearish bias determination. It either holds and goes higher. I swear it might inverse it. And that could be the short. It's not a short for me. No SMT equal. Plus, I'm just not looking for shorts in general. Yeah, I think it will just like consolidate. You're right. Alright, bro. Take care, yeah? Peace. If you're going. Ross, did you take any trades so far? I'm sure you were in this cell somehow. All that volatility to take out the high, take out the low. Bro, this has got to be a seek and destroy pattern or something. Now we just chop. I think recognizing this sort of pattern just basically proves that any setups it gives now are definitely lower probability, but it feels like a gamble almost. Can't be trusted. What would you do if you were the market maker? Take NQ to 0. Absolutely blow up everyone's trades. Just depeg the Nasdaq from the top stocks to like, I don't know, anything. Oh, it literally did exactly that. It respected that fair value gap and went higher. Whoa, what was, yo? Took a short on demo. Wasn't very confident to take it on a live with all the choppy. Yeah, I think it's real tough to get any confirmations on setups here. Like I'm sticking to the original bias of I want to be higher time frame bullish. It gave a good manipulation higher, a strong manipulation lower, right? Gave the SMT signatures and a lower time frame. And that's all I've got to work on. But like oh, and the equal highs for ES, right? Like the main major equal highs just seems bait. I wouldn't have wanted this kind of displacement from this. I mean, it did take some external liquidity, so it could be valid, right? As in, what I mean by this is like this is a market structure shift for a market maker model lower. You don't want this having been formed making equal highs because it's just low probability, which is exactly what happened on ES. Looks bullish, but price ain't playing out. Yeah. Yo, Ross, you there, bro? Right, what about you? Raul, did you take any trades today, bro? No? Anyone? Is anyone even out there? Am I living in a simulation? Yeah, I know this is like one of them crackhead things, but like it's crazy to think that you lot are actually real people out there sitting behind your computer, like real time, same time as me now, doing the exact same thing. There's no way. I feel like there's no way. Like, are you lot actually real? You're not just like put in the simulation and that to like. No, there's an insane deal on Apex. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I have to get all flipping 20 accounts. I need to get them all. No way. Bro, oh, it's so cheap. It's so cheap. Oh yeah, I forgot to look at that. I do need to check that out. Oh, bro, I'm starting to think if I should have. It actually is still playable for Apex. Let me think. 5,000. It'd be 13. Ah, it's really bad, but it's because you only need a 1 to 1.2 or something for Apex. It's like not half bad. Alright, bro. Take care, yeah. Peace. Damn. Right, I might just let this play out. Basically, I did end up getting in this trade, but I'm in a break even, so it's either gonna come back down and hit my break even, or it's gonna take profit. Yeah. Um, but I don't want to sit around for 2 hours watching it in case it does end up taking to the PM or, do you know what I mean? I'm just gonna set alerts and then let it play out. But good luck to you lads. I'll see you all tomorrow, or maybe the PM. Peace.